So those of you who watched my last video, I was just about to get into the bath, just waking. I've had my water. Why don't you, if you're gonna do me a favor and watch my video, let me do a favor for you and press pause and go get a glass and come back. I'll do the same. Okay, I got my glass of water. I hope you did too. So before I watch, take a sip. This video is me getting ready before I go to the farmer's market. Today's Saturday. It's a continuation of my last video. So I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna just show you some of my things I do. I encourage you to drink some water as we go. Just little sips. Okay, first, skin, dry, clean. Just kind of scrub down. Oh, Timeless. I found this out from Angie from Hot and Flashy. She did tests on all. I just kind of take it and I put my hand here because sometimes it squirts and I don't want to get it on my shirt or anything. So I just kind of squeeze it and a little bit comes out. Can you see it there? And I just kind of rub it around. You might see that my skin changes color a little bit, gets a little more tan because vitamin C, if it's properly made, from what I've learned, is that it oxidizes and it changes color. So can you see I'm slowly starting to get a little bit more tanned, and I put it everywhere. I just kind of just quickly, efficiently, I'm just going to do one more squirt and they should be able to get my neck, and I just kind of go down to around here. It's kind of, I know someone else is already going down to here, but I just kind of do my neck area and a little bit of my décolleté. So that is my vitamin C. Then I follow up with CoQ10. Again, this is from Timeless, and CoQ10 is pretty fussy. It needs to be shaken, and it expires rapidly. So if you're going to use it like you mean it, because you can't keep it. Same with vitamin C. If vitamin C is well made, it will eventually turn brown. So these things you want to just kind of put it all over. It's almost like making little war lines. I just kind of put it in different places and then kind of rub it in. I don't wait. I just kind of put it all on. I'm generally not really fussy on makeup. I just kind of hope that whomever's looking at me likes me the way I am, because that's the way I come. And if nature made me this way, then that's what I got. So I kind of let these dry a little bit, just kind of rub them into my hairline and through my neck. I'm actually looking at myself instead of the camera, so sorry about that. So I just kind of rub it all in. I'm learning. This is my cell phone. It's an iPhone X, which it means 10 in Roman. So it's old compared to most people. I don't have a microphone. I was gifted a tripod, so it's sitting on a beautiful tripod. So thank you, JP, and thank you to JP's friend for the kind donation. If anyone feels sorry for me and wants to donate anything, goal is to get a proper microphone. Goal is to get an actual computer or laptop, not computer, a laptop. My old, what is it, MacBook Air, gosh, 2011. It actually hurts my stomach to use it, like physical pain, like I'm going to get nausea and throw up. So, and it hurts, like it's tingling on my fingers. I'm a little bit electrosensitive. Some might understand what that means, some may not. Some may think I'm kooky, but I know what I feel and I know what I sense, and I'm a little more sensitive than most, but I do know there is a full crowd of people who are like me, and if not more. And I've been to meetings with them, and I've actually spoken. I was asked to speak at one of the meetings, and there are multiple books on it and YouTube videos. So if you have that, there is a community, and don't feel alone because it's real. So anyway, back to the face. So it's pretty much dry. That's how long it takes. Now this, I don't know, this came from a girlfriend, Dora. If anyone's watching, please say hello to Dora for me. I am so grateful. So this kind of actually, look, it has this cute little wand. It doesn't have like a, it has a little squeezer. Oh, I guess it does. And so again, I put little like war lines on me. I pretend I'm like a Native American, and I'm putting my, or maybe I could be a football player. I'm putting my things on. I try to make little happy faces. And here I like to do, here, I play. Isn't life supposed to be fun? We're supposed to play. So I put a line here and here. I know the thyroid's a little sensitive. And then here I put a little happy face and 2 dots, because this part generally gets more sun than most. And my goal is to rub it all in before it drips down. So I'm going to put this part first because this is where my shirt will be, and so I don't want it to get to mark it at all. So let's let this to dry. And then I like to kind of rub it all the way around to the back of my throat so that it, and doing this also, you'll see the, some cultures will say that through yoga, extending the neck upwards, it might not be the nicest view, it helps to stimulate the thyroid. If I could think of the name, I'd say it, but I'm having a little absence of what that word is right now. And so just kind of rub it all in. I'm very gentle. It's not, I'm not putting pressure, but I am just kind of rubbing it all in. My mom told me when you're putting lotions, make sure to go to the hairline. I think she saw something that I actually haven't asked her about yet, that she saw with Grandma, and made her say that. She also told me, make sure to wash behind, rinse off behind your ears. I have a feeling there's a family story, her and her brothers and sister who went through, and so I have a feeling there's a good story to that. So advice from my mother, bring your cream up to your hairline, and make sure when you're showering to rinse behind your ears. I guess it would mostly be for, especially for men who are shaving. So I'm also kind of spreading it so it's even, so it dries quickly. Oh, I'm looking at the camera again instead of the you guys, so sorry about that. I'm learning. Yeah, okay, so let's go over what I'm aware I don't have proper lighting back here. I just haven't, I was stalling on making my videos because my house isn't organized. I had some construction in the bathroom. I've got some stuff going on. I'm going to get new sliding glass doors soon. So it's almost, if there's anyone who's gone through house construction, they know the house isn't perfect, and I was really kind of concerned about that. I was concerned because I'm aging, and I show my age a little bit, not fully. I'm very grateful for that. So instead I just put these blockers up so that you don't see what's going on back there, because I would never get the video done today. I will get it done eventually, but I'm just thought, figure a different way out and make it happen. I forgot in my last video to add color, so I added a little bit of this, and I'm going to the market. So I found this downstairs. Someone was going to throw it out, and I just think it's so pretty. It's really not the most practical basket, but I just think it's pretty. So when I go to the market, I carry baskets. I don't use plastic, and I'll explain that if you continue to watch my channel, which I hope you do, and oh, it has this little lace along the edge too. Look at how pretty that is, with a nice little flower design. I don't know, I'm girly. I like this sort of thing. A little antiqued with the coloring. I think it's really nice. Okay, now on to sunscreen. So it's first vitamin C, then CoQ10, then a moisturizer, and that's what this one was. This was just a moisturizer. I think I forgot to say that. And Royal Elixir Youth Creator. Isn't that awesome? It's a cute little bottle too. I'm very grateful for this. So please, please tell Dora I say thank you. Okay, this guy. Oh, I'm so honored by this. I was taking care of a woman, and her daughter went to Korea, and I was gifted this beautiful sunscreen. I hope I'm holding it up the right way. I think I am. And so this is genuine. From what I hear, that this product can be bought in the United States, but it does not contain the same ingredients. So this is something from Korea. I hope it's focusing. Again, I'm new to the camera. I'm new to taking videos, so just bear with me. I know I'm making mistakes. I know that I don't have the greatest volume. And okay, so I'm getting age marks here. I get a few little dots, and I can see them down here too. So I really want to make sure I'm getting my sunscreen in these spots. And then, of course, here, the nose protrudes. Mine may be more than most. I always like to, I'm getting dots on my eyelids too. So I like to put it there. And I can't, that's what my concern is, I can't put most sunscreens there because within, they might not burn immediately, my little happy face, but they do over time. My eyes just start burning, and I'm talking to someone and blinking a mile a minute because I'm in pain. So there we go. My little sunscreen. I am so honored to have this from Korea. I hear it's a gorgeous place, and I know I've been to Japan and to Thailand, to Malaysia, but I think that's as far as I've been over in that neck of the woods. And they are fussy because they have different sunscreen ingredients not available in the United States or the Americas. So I would say Canada and the United States. They focus on UVA and UVB, but UVA is very important to them. They have very youthful looking skin, if any of you know any or have seen any videos. I'm often envious of how they can defy age, I think, a lot. I personally prefer food that's from Japan because it has very little sugar, a lot of ingredients. The majority of their food, the condiments, are fermented, and they have, like most places, an unhealthy version. Oh, I forgot to put it on my hands. So sometimes when I have too much, I just kind of go like this and put it on my the back of my hands. Not perfect with videos nor in life. I just kind of make it up as I go. Okay. And it's not very white. It's not very sticky, and it just kind of blends in. I do find if I look in a closer mirror, look closer up, I do find come like little white spots, but I just kind of rub it in. Make sure to get the ears. Okay. What was the name of this one? Sun Relief. Anyway, it's gorgeous. So that's what I do. You know, if I was going somewhere fancy, I do put sometimes a eyelash and eyebrow dye on. I wouldn't recommend it. It is not for everyone, and getting into the black eyes can definitely damage sight, and I don't want anyone to ever do anything I do because and get harm, but that's what I do because I'm blonde. And okay, now for my jewelry. This is my go-to right now. This is on loan to me. It's a little mermaid with a Tahitian black pearl. Isn't it beautiful? And this like very hefty, I'm a necklace kind of necklace, not something dainty. And this is my present go-to necklace. and she just sits kind of right there. A friend said that she likes to be with her sister because I'm a mermaid myself. And then these are my go-to earrings. Oh, I actually misplaced my, okay, why don't you focus? Okay, I don't have the best camera, or I'm not doing it right. But these are little pearl, diamond earrings. I kind of attach them to themselves. Oops, dropped it. I attach them to themselves so that I don't lose them. I just put one, if it's possible to see, through the hole of the other one. See how they have the two little holes here? And I just kind of put that through there. It's easier to do, but I'm not doing it in the camera. And then I put this on, and then they stay together. And then it's easier if they fall. It's easier to find two than one. And then I put these on. Oh, my fingers are a little slimy from the sunscreen, from all my products on my fingers. So, I put my hair up beforehand so it didn't get all in it. Earrings, necklace, makeup, take my hair down. This is just a thing to hold their sleeves back. I found it in my bathroom. So there we go. I brushed my hair when I was in the bathroom, and I'm gonna start my day. I'm gonna go to the farmer's market on Saturday. They have great eggs, and they're one place where I can find oranges, I hope. And I hope I'm not too late, because I took this video to be able to get some. This is the last day of the season, because what are we in now? November. And this season will be done until next year, I believe. And it's just a little family, and they're wonderful. And I actually used to volunteer at this place. I would cut the flowers and make a nice bouquet to sell on the Saturday. And I would collect the little tomatoes, the blueberries, the raspberries, and strawberries. And it was a lot of fun. It was such a great time. I really miss volunteering there. And but I still know the people, and they're wonderful. And oh, I wanted to say, the woman who runs it, she's a leader. She's not a dictator. I worked in this town for some people who are dictators. Very different from a leader. I'll get into that. Okay, I'm gonna get in the car. If you want to come with me, watch the next video. Thanks.